Welcome, welcome. Thank you so much for signing up for this challenge. I am so excited to be able to show you the basics of how to use Adobe Premiere. So before the challenge starts, I want to be able to walk you through how to sign up for your free trial of Adobe Premiere. To get started, you want to go to adobe.com. This is a little tricky because you go to Creativity and Design. You do not want to click on Premiere Pro right here. What you want to do is go over here to Video, and then you do Start Free Trial. So it'll give you a few options. You can do just Premiere Pro, or you can get all the Creative Cloud apps. That includes Photoshop, After Effects, Audition, etc., etc. I've never needed to use any of these other programs for what I do. You're not probably going to use these unless you want to go big and deep into video editing. All you're going to need is a Premiere Pro. So all you have to do is start your free trial. And just so you know, they are going to take your credit card information when you sign up for this free trial. They give you a week free and then they charge you after that. So all you do is type in your email address. And then over here under commitment, you choose if you want to be charged annually. So right now it'll charge you $239, or the month-to-month plan. After your trial ends, it'll charge you $31.49 a month if you don't have a contract, or if you have the annual plan but you pay monthly, then you only pay $21 a month. So whichever you choose, again, you just hit continue, you type in your credit card information, and then you start your free trial. You can see here all of this small print. It says, by starting my 7-day free trial, I'm beginning a subscription. Make sure that you know that. But it says here, if you cancel before October 1st, you can get a full refund and avoid a fee. Technically, they'll give you 3 weeks to cancel before charging you a fee and being able to receive your full refund back. So I put this to the test. A few months ago, I signed up for a new subscription of Adobe Premiere, and I let that lapse. It was within the 3 weeks, but I think it was maybe week 2. I got my 1 week free trial, and then on the second week, after my card had been charged already, I contacted Adobe to try and get a refund. They tried really hard to not give me my refund. What they wanted to do was they wanted to give me 3 months free subscription and access to the entire Adobe suite. So that was Adobe Premiere, Photoshop, everything that they offer for 3 months for free. And that is a really good offer. But you'll see here, I had to ask 3 or 4 times for them to give me a refund before they agreed to do it. What he offered is, I forgot to cancel, I'm checking, so he checked on my plan. He said, before you make a decision on the cancellation, I see that there are 3 months free on your subscription that haven't been applied. He said you'll be saving $69 in the 3 months, and that my next billing date wouldn't be until October. I said, no thank you, I understand. You don't allow refunds. Are you a student? Of course I'm not. And so do you wish to continue for the cheaper price? And I said, you don't offer refunds? So again, I'm asking 1, 2, 3 times I had to ask for a refund before they refunded it, but they did it with no problem. I mean, it wasn't an issue. They didn't charge me anything extra. They refunded my money in full 2 weeks after I signed up for the trial. So just know that if you do get charged, you do still have a little bit of leeway to get your money back. Or if you want to try and get that 3 months free, then that might be an option as well. So go ahead today, sign up for that free trial. I want you to be able to have the full week with the challenge to be able to practice in Adobe Premiere with us and be able to learn the basics of Premiere Pro. I can't wait to see you in class.